Resurging interest in vinyl records has spawned a renaissance in turntable manufacturing. At a time when you can stream almost any song by any artist, music lovers have rediscovered a fondness for the tactile experience and warm and fuzzy analog sound that only LPs and 45s can deliver. We've conducted in-depth reviews of most of the latest record player and have recommendations at every price point. We've also considered the various ways of getting the music from the grooves to your ears, including streaming models. All our picks deliver great sound and won't damage your precious vinyl. If you need more guidance before choosing one, scroll down past our top recommendations to read our in-depth buying guide. And if you're interested in making digital archives of your records, read our How to Rip Vinyl Records guide.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. Fluence RT81. The Fluence RT81 is a high-quality, entry-level turntable that sounds great out of the box. You can upgrade its cartridge and preamp with higher-end components down the road, which makes it a great value. While it doesn't have features such as a USB port for ripping vinyl or a Bluetooth radio for streaming to wireless speakers, it comes with a very good cartridge and tonearm and it sounds great for its price. Number 2. Andover Audio Spin Deck Max. U-Turn takes its excellent turntable design skills, upgrades the materials and electronics, and hand builds a record player that can stand with the best in this price range. Spending this much means getting a plinth planed from a solid block of wood, a magnesium tonearm, a grooved acrylic platter, and a machined pulley for the silicone belt. The model sent to us for review includes an integrated preamp and an Ortofon 2M Blue cartridge. It also means enjoying incredibly satisfying listening sessions with your favorite vinyl. Number 3. Monoprice Monolith 600046. The Monoprice Monolith 60046 does a lot of things incredibly well, but it's especially useful if you're looking to rip digital files to your computer via a USB connection. The included Audio Technica AT-VM95E cartridge delivers a strong signal, and the results are stellar. The turntable can also stream to a Bluetooth speaker or connect to an audio system via RCA connectors, making it a great all-around performer at an excellent price. Number 4. Audio Technica at LPW50BTRW. The Audio Technica at LPW50BTRW turntable has a button next to its tonearm for easy Bluetooth pairing. The unit comes with Audio Technica's outstanding AT-VM95E cartridge, so it performs equally well in its wired and wireless configurations. There's a built-in phono preamp and a solid aluminum platter.